Alright guys, Alex with Master Garage here. Today we're going to work on the thermostat replacement on 2016 Lexus LS200T 2.4 turbo. Basically it has got two thermostats. We got it from the dealer, and the antifreeze, proper antifreeze for that one. This is the first one, the smaller one, 74 degree. The bigger one, 82 degree. Okay, the location of that, you can't find the location of that in any other videos. The first one is here, which is the smaller one. You need to take this coolant reservoir off, disconnect this one, and reach that one. I'm gonna do that, but I already finished that first one, the bigger one, which is located down there. If you follow the lower radiator hose, it goes right there underneath of the turbo. A little bit more light, just right there. All you need to do to access there, disconnect the battery over there, take this bolt off, disconnect the computer. There is two here and one there, one more nut, 10 millimeter nut there. So then gently wiggle it out, put it at the side. It will give you enough room to get in there. There is a coolant temperature sensor. You need to disconnect it, and two screws with one bolt, 10 millimeter. Take them off gently, and then you should be able to replace that. After that, you're gonna do the small one, replace the small thermostat, and put the antifreeze in there, and there with the secondary coolant system. Let the engine run, put the heater on the max, and as soon as you have the hot air coming out, turn the engine off, let it cool down for like 30 minutes, check the level, and you should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.